Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I am so excited. Today is going to be number 2 in my moving vlogs. It has been, I think, 2 months since my last one, but it's actually just going up this Wednesday, which is tomorrow, which is November 11th. So if you haven't watched that, go and watch that video. It was so much fun. But I am literally moving in 13 days in with my boyfriend, Cal, if you didn't watch that video yet. And I have just been packing like crazy. Got so much stuff on the floor in boxes. There's more upstairs in the attic. But I don't know. All that I really have left is to go through my dresser and my desk. There's stuff like all over my nightstand, but that's mostly garbage and quick and easy stuff. So yeah, I wanted to do that with you guys today, and then I might combine with tomorrow. My mom and I might be going shopping, or maybe I'll just go by myself if she doesn't want to go. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I am looking very rough, I am aware. I have been up since 12:30 a.m. and I've been working overnights at my job. So I worked 1:30 to 10 a.m. and it is currently 1:15. And I just have so much stuff to do that I'm just trying to push through the tiredness. So that's why I'm looking rough. I'm aware. But yeah, so the first thing that I want to do is just go through my desk slash makeup vanity thing. Clearly it's a mess full of makeup and other random things. So time to clean that out. It's just so full of just literally garbage, probably. So yeah, it's definitely time to go through this and get rid of it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
So I just cleaned out my entire desk, and it actually didn't take as long as I thought it was going to be. What I did want to keep, I kind of just threw in this box behind me, and it's completely full. So I'm not bringing my desk yet because I'm not sure if there's going to be space for it anywhere. But I would love to bring it if it does end up being a spot for it, and then I can put all that stuff back in here rather than finding a new spot for it. But it was stuff that I didn't want to get rid of, which kind of sucks because I feel like most of my stuff is going to end up just staying in our little like storage closet, which I hope won't take up as much space as I'm like thinking in my head right now, because I'm like, I need to get rid of some more stuff that I'm like not ready to part ways with, or I just bring it back here and store it in my mom's attic or whatever. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I have this huge pile over here of all the Goodwill stuff from my closet clean out video, which if you guys did not see that video yet, I'll put a card up in here just in case you wanted to check that out. I do want to go through my dresser so that I can get rid of this pile, because like it's seriously such just an eyesore for me right now. Like there's boxes on this side, there's Goodwill on this side, and obviously I'm not keeping it, so I'm like tired of looking at it. So I might try to get like this area organized and try to do my dresser Not sure. It's 2:03 right now. I don't know. I'm exhausted, but I also just want to get this done so that I can be doing other things this next week leading up to the move. I want to just get like everything done that I've been like thinking about in my head, and then like my clothes will be like the last thing that I need to get done, which will be like easy because like I don't know, especially if I go through all the drawers, like what I have envisioned in my head that I'm gonna get rid of, there's not gonna be much left in the drawers. I'm not sure if I want to do it right now or not though, so bear with me. Okay, so I just packed up this box full of stuff. Oh my goodness. Hopefully they do take all of this stuff at Goodwill. I do need to like look up their like protocols, not protocols, but like what they're taking right now. I did look up like last week, and it said that they did take everything in that box, but I'm afraid that because of COVID, they're not going to take all of this, which like, I don't know, it wouldn't really make much sense to me because it's all, I don't know, but we'll see. Hopefully they will, because I don't really know what to do with it if they don't. Like, I don't want to throw it out. I don't even want to get rid of like my pillow pet that's in there. But what am I gonna do with a pillow pet, you know what I mean? So kind of sad about that, but it's okay. And then I think I'm just going to do my dresser tomorrow, and since that's going to be all clothes, I'm just going to donate in one of those like drop-off things where I can just throw a bag in, because I know that everything that's going to come out of there is just clothes, because that's all I have in there. Let's see. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I will see you guys later. Hey guys, so it is definitely like a week later since I filmed that last clip, but I wanted to continue on the vlog anyways. So I am moving in 6 days. It is currently Tuesday, November 17th. We're moving on Monday the 23rd. So pretty much right now I just want to show you guys the last little bit that I have bought. Obviously since the first moving vlog I have bought quite a bit since that was September, and I'm unfortunately finally putting that up tomorrow, the 18th. So if you have not seen that video, make sure to go check that out, and I will also leave it in a card right here. But yeah, so I will show you guys the last stuff that I bought last week and anything else that I have that I want to share, I will share when I unpack it, because it is packed away right now. But yeah, let's just do this. So first we'll do from Target. Okay, so the first thing is just this black toothbrush holder. I bought like the matte black soap dispensers from Amazon, and I figured that I probably should get a toothbrush holder to match. And then also from Target I just got these plates and bowls. Like I said in the last video, we only have one set of those white plates and bowls, so I was like, we probably could use more than that. So I bought 4 of these plastic ones of each, and they match the other stuff that I bought, like the pizza cutter and the can opener. And then I also bought a strainer in the same color. I didn't really like plan it to be this way at all. It just kind of happened. So next from Bed Bath & Beyond, I just got a water purifier jug thing, just because we don't have, it's like a pretty old apartment. It's like, I don't know, I feel like I keep saying first apartment, like crappy apartment, like that's all I wanted. You know what I mean? So anyway, it doesn't have like a fridge spout. So I did get this because I don't want to drink tap and I don't want to buy bottles. And then just the filters for those when the one that comes with it goes bad, just to have as a backup. And then this is actually from Michael's, but I just got this little Christmas decoration for the kitchen. I just thought it was cute because I like to bake and make cookies and whatnot. And it says, Mrs. Claus, freshly baked cookies, open daily. I thought it was just cute to like put in the corner, maybe with a candle or something in front of it. We'll see, but yeah, it's super cute. So this was actually also from Target, but it is just this KitchenAid hand mixer, again in the same blue. I was going to get white, but they didn't have white in the KitchenAid option, and my mom said KitchenAid was the best. So got that. We got a butter dish, and then I also got these little dishes. They're just they're called ramekins, and my mom has a set of these, and I like to put my barbecue sauce in it for dipping. So I obviously had to get some of my own. And also I got this thing to clean the Keurig. So that is pretty much all that I've gotten recently. So I'm gonna pack up this last box. There's a couple like odds and ends in here that need to go in the box with this. And then I also want to go through my dresser, get rid of some stuff, and then pack up the rest. Like, I don't think I'm really gonna wear anything else in there for the next 6 days. So I'll probably just keep like aside a couple of things that I might wear just in case, and then just pack up the rest. I mean, this is getting really close. Like, okay.
Holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hey guys, so it is the next day now. My camera died while I was in the middle of filming that time lapse. I was actually able to fit them all into 2 boxes, which is super convenient. I just, instead of like putting them in like they were folded, I took each one individually and actually rolled them, and it created a lot more space. So I'm really excited about that. My room is looking super empty, but also super full because I still have all my boxes in here and all of that, which is fine. It's currently Wednesday. We're moving on Monday. This is crazy. We've got, what is that, 5 days, I think? So, yeah. But I am pretty much just going to end the video here. I just want to show you one thing real quick. Let's actually just head over to my sister's room. So this is my sister's room. She is actually off at college right now, which is why I'm kind of using it as an extra storage room. But I just wanted to show you guys the last couple other things that we bought. So I actually got our microwave and our toaster oven, and also a crock pot. These 3 things were all from Best Buy. And then from Walmart, Kel and I got some curtains for each of our rooms. We just did gray, just because we knew that it would like match everything nicely. Just got a shower curtain. And then from Target we got, sorry, that other one was the liner. This is the shower curtain. It's like gray and with a white pattern on it. So got just like our towels and our bath mat here, again with just the gray from Target. I actually want to put them in the wash and get them all prepared to go, so I don't have to do everything like all that first day, because I'm kind of assuming we're going to want to shower that night or the next morning at least, so I don't want to be like using dirty, gross store towels. Same with the bedding that I have to buy still too. But yes, I'm going to end the video right here, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next video because we will be in the apartment in the next video, I believe. I don't think I have anything else to film before we go, so might be skipping a week of uploading just because I won't have a video and we'll be super busy moving and all of that. So yes, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I upload my next moving vlog, which I'm just so excited to document for myself and for those of you who enjoy watching videos like this. They are certainly one of my favorite types of videos, so I am so excited to finally be doing it for my channel. So yeah, if you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, and again, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video in my new apartment. Bye! Hey guys, editing Kailey popping in here just to say that I am going to attempt to be doing Vlogmas this year. So I don't really know like how consistent I'll be with it. Like I don't know if I'll do like daily uploads like you're supposed to do, but I do want to attempt it since I'll have like a lot of moving stuff to do, and then obviously my first year of decorating my own apartment, which I'm so excited about. And I love watching Vlogmas videos from everybody else, so I have wanted to do it for a while now. But I just want to let you know that yes, I will be trying to do Vlogmas, so be sure you're subscribed and have the notification bell on. See ya!